Heddiw rydw i'n mynd am dro gwmpas y pentref. Today I'm going for a walk around the village. Rydw i'n byw mewn pentref around Canolfan. I live in a village called Canolfan. Rydyn nhw'n agos at y A470, lle mae Gogledd Cymru yn cysylltu gyda De Cymru. We're close to the A470, where North Wales is connected to South Wales. Dyma'r Ysgol Uwchradd yn y pentref. Dyma'r safle lle bu Glo yr Albion ar Rhedeg. This is the high school in the village. This is where the Albion coal mines were at one point. Dyma ble mae'r tîm rygbi lleol yn chwarae. This is where the local rugby team plays. Mae gen i'n gofod Rhyfel byd yn y pentref I gofio rai y gollodd eu bywydau yn y ddau rhyfel byd. We have a war memorial in the village to remember those who lost their lives. Mae gen I mynyddoedd hyfryd ac wedyn ni'n agos at yr afon Taf. We have beautiful mountains and we're really close to the River Taf. Dyma'r meddyg. Mae ar gau ar hyn o bryd oherwydd y coronavirus. Mae'r chemist ychydig ymhellach I fyny'r stryd. This is the doctor's surgery. It's closed at the moment because of the coronavirus. The chemist is a little bit further up the street. Mae gennym ni siop gornel a siop Trin gwallt. We have a corner shop and hairdressers. Blynyddoedd yn ôl, roedd cigydd, groser, gweithwyr blodau, siop dillad a Swyddfa bost. Years ago, there was a butchers, a grocer, a florist, a clothes shop and a post office. Nawr dyma box post sydd yma. Now there's only a post box here. Mae gennym ni Canolfan Cymunedol lle mae dosbarthiadau dawns, grwpiau babanod a disgos. We have a community centre where dance classes, baby classes and discos happen. Dyma'r ysgol gynradd Saesneg lle aeth fy mam i'r ysgol. This is the English primary school where my mum went to school. Cafodd ei strydoedd gwreiddiol ei enwi ar ôl plant yr adeiladwr. Hywel, Anne, William, John, Richard a Mary. The original streets were named after the builders' children. Hywel, Anne, William, John, Richard and Mary. Ar ben y pentref, mae parc lle rydw i'n hoffi chwarae gyda fy ffrindiau. On top of the village, there's a park where I like playing with my friends. Rydyn ni'n galw parc y chicken park. We call the park the chicken park. Mae hefyd gennym ni Siop Sglodion a Chip. We also have a chip shop and a Chinese. Tyfodd y cantorion opera Geraint Evans a Stuart Burrows yn agos i'r Siop Sglodion. The famous opera singers Geraint Evans and Stuart Burrows grew up next to this chip shop. Dyna taith o gwmpas fy mhentref. That's a journey around my village. Ble ydych chi'n byw? Where do you live?